At its core, a wok is about movement. It's about heat. The perfect wok should feel like an extension of your hand. Too often, woks miss the mark. Many woks come with a handle that is either too short or too thin, creating instability when you lift and maneuver. We saw an opportunity to do better, so we re-engineered our wok to be lighter, more responsive, and ready to cook right out of the box, while maintaining the power and heat retention of professional-grade carbon steel. We've brought the Stay Cool handle from our stainless Clad cookware to our wok. It's longer, more comfortable, and perfectly weighted to give you control. Whether you're flipping vegetables, shaking the pan, or carrying a full stir fry to the table, this handle provides unmatched balance and responsiveness. By refining our carbon steel to 1.5 millimeter thickness, thinner than our previous model, but still incredibly strong, we made this wok significantly lighter. And because it's still carbon steel, it retains heat like cast iron, but responds instantly when you adjust the temperature. This means better control, faster cooking, and more consistent results. Traditional woks demand a long, complex seasoning process before they're truly nonstick. We wanted to change that. This wok comes seasoned, so it's naturally nonstick from the moment it arrives, giving you pure performance from day one. We designed this wok with a flat bottom, making it universally compatible with gas, electric, and induction cooktops. While stir-frying is what woks are known for, this pan goes beyond. You can sear proteins, simmer sauces, deep-fry dumplings, or even steam fish. It's one of the most versatile tools you can have in your kitchen. This is the next generation of our carbon steel woks, built for control, built for speed, built for the way you cook.